Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start off our piece by doing our little slip stitch here, right? And you don't want to make it too tight here. That's good right there. Okay, once we've done the slip stitch, we're going to go ahead and chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 chains now. And if we count that, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're going to close this chain to create a circle. We're going to create a circle like this with a slip stitch on chain number 1. And we've got to go under both the front and the back, not the bottom, the front and the back loop. So I've got the front loop, and now I need to get that back loop. It's going to be tricky here, huh? You know what helps sometimes is if you have some kind of a little plastic needle or what have you, is to go ahead and make that entrance like this, right? Because see, that's the bottom, and these are the 2 top, which is front, back. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, much easier. Okay, so now what I want to do is go ahead and do a slip stitch, which means just to pull all the way through. Try not to be too tight, because we want this circle to be, open.